Hey, Kiros. Hey, my big boy. Hey, my little puppy, Thinky. Hey! Where are you? Hello. Hello. Hey! Kiros! Come back here. Hello, babies. Hello. 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 They're fighting over me because I don't know who to pick. Who's that boy? Whoa! This is where I live. You can see where I live. Fort West. Hey! Kiros, I've got a city! You see, he answers when. Hey, Kiros! If you guys stop fighting, I'll give you a treat. Hey, I'll give you a treat if you stop fighting. What naughty dogs! Hey, Kiros, come here. It's me, Silvanah. Hey, Kiros, look here. Oh, sweetie. Hello, Pinky. Hello. Oh, I've got a sweetie, Kiros. Look. Look, Kiros. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yes. Hey. I made another. Hey. Hey. I made another video. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. 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 Give me a high five. Give me paw. Paw. Give me your paw. No, give me paw. Paw. Hey, give me paw. Thank you. Give me high five. Give me high five. Give me high five. Give me high five. No, don't lick me. Oh, look, you give me a high five, my little puppy. My little puppy. Hey. Look at this face. It's Silvanah. Hey! She's trying to edit the camera. Hello, my boy. Look, they both trying to say hello. Hello, my puppy. Like I said, that was my puppy, Thinky. My very two dogs. I only have two for now. Did you just see Athena just try and edit the phone? Hey, stop trying to edit the camera. Look at these dogs. Nutcases. Look at this one. Give me a high five with my foot. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Sorry, dogs fighting. Kiros won't let Pinky say hello to me, eh? Does he have Pinky? Look at mother. I have my fluffer. And then my Chinese.